Good morning. A long drive.
Yeah, not for me, because it was brother-in-law who's driving. But we're here.
We're here. Look, it's a very nice place.
We got here an hour before
Yeah.
the Plaza del Norte Convention
Hello,
Centre.
Isa. Nanay, the family. Very nice book, Gumamela.
Got Lake Payoi, this far
That way.
over there, National Park.
This is Plaza del Norte Hotel,
Convention Centre.
Convention Center. Very clean.
Just had a nice McDonald's as well. Oh, and I met my first Yank.
American, I mean.
He was an American, technically.
Living
He'd,
here 15
He's
years.
been here 15 years, so if you do get to watch us, Dennis, good morning, sir. It was a pleasure to meet you. It's amazing who you meet in a McDonald's these days.
What he said? Be careful what?
Really nice guy. He was talking about false deeds, to the house titles. I think we're okay.
Well, anyway.
Yeah, I think we're
Because it's subdivided a lot, that one anyway.
So we're just waiting for April to turn up, then we'll introduce you to April, and we're going to have a look at the lot.
Wait. Plaza del Norte Hotel. Tignan natin kung ano ang signboard niya sa harap. Nagparking kami dito. Nakutoilet na rin ako. Ayan. Yan ang harap ko. Ang daming bulaklak ng mangga. Ayan o. Nice view doon. Ito ang sign niya. Ayan. Plaza del Norte Hotel and Convention Center. Ayan. Dito kami. Hinintay namin si April yung namin. Agent namin. Namit na nila pangalawang beses. Nanay at saka yung kapatid ko. Ayan. Ang linis dito. Yan naman National Park yan. Taas. Tulog na si oh, look at that tricycle. Tinda. Yan. Ang linis. May chapel doon, oh. Pag toilet ako, meron siguro toilet dyan. Maganda ang nila doon. Daming bagong-bilya. Sa mga hotel, Convention Center din. Tutulog na si Warren. Tain nyo tayo na awante ko na. Nabati na jay step in na. So nga, media son. Kaya nainit dito eh. Ada chapelitan eh.
Ay, ang ganun ka ah. Ito, pupin o, daga.
Chapel. Sa balik ti dagada to ya. Ayan. Nalabag ayan ay. Ay. Building nga na. Nayawan ti ko na anti kinilas na nabati na. O, tignan mo oh. Oh. Picture daw. May chapel din dyan. Ganda dito. Oh, may ano no, may baka doon. May baka. Ganda dito. Linis. Yan ang convention center din, oh. Diyan. Wedding. Diyan sila nag-wedding. Yan ang reception nila. Canyon North. Yan, sa mga ano yan. Roses. Yung ano dyan. Malaking lambot yan. Ayan, si Mr. C. Nagsisigarilyo na naman. Ayan. Locos Norte. Town of Macos. Guys, Bogos Ilocos Sur, ayan, tayo. Next. Di bye-bye. Nagpik sa talon na ne. Ayan, damalatati ko ne, oh. Namtambay yung padyay. Very clear. Locos Norte. Jepo. Yeah. Ayan. Di drive ni Warren na oh. Pas lagi na din. Najayakan. Feeling film star.
Yeah. Ay, lagi may mood ka na kahit. Lagi may mood ka pa.
Ay, ko.
Excited mo na.
Kung ko naman.
Mag-iaksi mo dyan ka tao di mata.
Yalay. Aja laki di boka tayo pa oh. Talaga ta. Ay. Ang ganda. Ano, windmill at saka yung ano dagat. At saka yung bundok. flying the drone. Hopefully, you know, it's got ano there. And a bit windy at the moment. Try to get that view, the windmill and the mountain. Ayan, ganda. Ayan. Andito kami sa is pretty. Ito, ang ganda. Ang windmill. Saka yung sea. Sa kabundok. Ayan si Mr. Singh. Nagpa-fly ng drone. Ewan ko na kung nasan yun ang drone niya. Ganda. Ganda sa yung kapatid ko sinala. Amo naman ka-fly si drone na to. Ito kalsada nga eh. Turog-turog lang ang road. So busy ta. Oh. Dapat Ayan. Busy road this day. Dapat oh, flight si drone oh. Yay, matapat pre.
Sabihin kung paano